Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making Squid Game themed cookies from scratch, and at the end Dolkana candy. It's a famous Korean street candy. Basically it's a caramelized candy and it's very easy to make with only two simple ingredients. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make cookies. Here I have got 3 cups of plain flour, that is 450 grams. To this I am adding quarter teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix well and set to one side. Into a big mixing bowl, add 1 cup of butter. It should be at room temperature. When you touch the butter, it should be soft, not runny. Beat this for about a minute. Add a cup of granulated sugar, that is 200 grams. I'm using brown sugar. You can also use white sugar. Beat until it's soft and fluffy. In between, scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl. To this, add an egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat this for 2 more minutes. Add flour in 3 batches, 1 cup at a time. This cookie dough is manageable, no need to put it in the fridge, just roll and bake it. Divide the dough in 2 portions, one for circle cookie and the other one for square. Roll all the sides equally so that when you put it in the oven, it will bake evenly. Using a round cookie cutter or a bottle cap, cut it round cookie shape. Take carefully and place it on a baking sheet. Now let's roll the dough and cut into square shape. Keep the extra dough in a Ziploc bag. Put it in the fridge for later use. This goes to the oven. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 9 minutes. Every oven works differently, so keep checking after 8 minutes. Cookies are done. Let it cool down completely before we start decorating. In the icing, I've added gel colors: blue, red, black and green. Let's decorate cookies in Squid Game themed symbols. Icing has to dry completely before you start another process. Ingredients to make Delcona candy. Here I have got a cup of white sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, some cookie cutters, a flat base to press on cookie, some oil, parchment paper and a needle. Into a saucepan add a cup of sugar. Keep the flame on low till the process is done, or else the candy will burn and taste bitter. This will take quite some time to melt, so stir continuously with a wooden spoon or chopstick. When the sugar has completely melted, turn off the flame. Add 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda and stir continuously until it turns into a coffee caramel color. Pour over parchment paper or on a greased pan. Take a flat bottom container or a spoon, grease it with little oil and press gently on the candy. Using cookie cutters, give an impression on the candies. Let's play the game. Let's see if I can take the circle out without breaking it. There you have Squid Game themed cookies and Delcona candy. I hope you all liked watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.